Top 100 Awesome Ideas for Pallets Patio Couches. Creative ideas for comfortable seating. Transform your patio with pallet couches. Creative ideas for comfortable seating. This article will explore the creative possibilities of using pallets to create unique and stylish patio couches. We will look at a variety of ideas and designs, from the simple and practical to the more elaborate and eye-catching. We will also discuss the advantages of using pallets for this purpose and how to go about creating your own patio couch. What are the benefits of using pallets to make patio couches? Cost-effective, pallets are typically very affordable and can be found for free or at a low cost. This makes them an ideal material for DIY projects, such as patio couches. Durable, pallets are made from strong materials, such as wood or plastic, which makes them highly durable and able to withstand the elements. Versatile, pallets can be used to create a variety of styles and designs, allowing you to customize your patio couch to fit your outdoor space. Eco-friendly, pallets are made from recycled materials, making them an environmentally friendly choice. Easy to work with, pallets are relatively easy to work with, allowing you to create a unique piece of furniture with minimal effort. What are some creative ideas for designing pallet patio couches? Create a sectional sofa by using 2 or more pallets and adding cushions and pillows. Create a daybed by stacking 2 or more pallets and adding a mattress and pillows. Use a single pallet and add a cushion and throw pillows to make a cozy couch. Make a corner sofa by combining 2 or more pallets and adding cushions and pillows. Create a swing sofa by attaching 2 pallets to a frame and adding a cushion and pillows. Create a unique outdoor seating area by combining several pallets and adding cushions and pillows. Use 1 pallet and add a cushion and throw pillows to make a cozy love seat. Create a unique outdoor seating area by combining several pallets and adding a cushion and pillows. Create a unique outdoor seating area by combining several pallets and adding a cushion and throw pillows. Create a unique outdoor seating area by combining several pallets and adding a cushion and throw pillows and a canopy for shade. What materials are needed to make pallet patio couches? To make pallet patio couches, you will need pallets, screws, screwdriver, drill, cushions, fabric, pillows, paint, paintbrush, sandpaper, wood glue, staple gun, staples, measuring tape, saw. What tools are required to construct pallet patio couches? Tools required to construct pallet patio couches include hammer, screwdriver, saw, drill, sandpaper, paint, cushions, screws, nails, staples, glue, tape measure, level, safety glasses. What safety precautions should be taken when constructing pallet patio couches? Wear protective gear such as gloves, safety glasses, and a dust mask when cutting and sanding wood. Make sure to use screws and nails that are appropriate for the weight of the pallet and the material you are attaching it to. Use a level to ensure the pallet is even and secure. Make sure to use weatherproof sealant to protect the wood from the elements. Check for any splinters or sharp edges on the pallet before constructing the couch. Make sure the couch is stable and secure before sitting on it. In conclusion, pallet patio couches are a great way to add a unique and stylish touch to any outdoor space. With a little creativity and some basic tools, you can create a comfortable and stylish seating area that will be the envy of your friends and family. Whether you decide to build your own or purchase a pre-made pallet couch, you can be sure that your outdoor space will be the talk of the town. Decorating your patio can be a laborious task, or it can be an interesting experience for you. The most important part of patio is the sitting arrangement you opt for the area. There are several factors to consider when you select for the type of sitting arrangement. Whether you will use wooden seats or wrought iron, area and space of your patio, number of persons your sitting arrangement will cater to, and the additional decorative features you may add. Again, if you choose wood for the patio sitting, then save a bundle of money by using pallet wood. You can make pallet wood couches for small as well as larger patios. Let's take a look at some awesome pallet wood patio couches. Awesome ideas for Pallets Patio couches. Here we have the finest couch made up of pallet wood planks. The pallet wood planks can be smoothed and you may leave them in their natural condition. This is fine, neat and beautiful. This couch allows for to sit easily and comfortably in the patio. The center table has also bold yet simple design. This awesome pallet wood recliner couch has casual and easygoing style. You can brighten up the atmosphere of your backyard by adding colorful upholstery. The box-like casual center table with an umbrella for shade is perfect to enjoy sunny afternoons. Adorn your patio with these simple and affordable pallet wood couches. This L-shaped sitting arrangement will cater to maximum number of persons and allows you to enjoy a perfect family get-together. You can polish the rough surface of pallet wood to make it more presentable. This clay polish suits the rustic decor. Enjoy this awesome pallet wood sitting arrangement with a variety of couches all set up at one place. The beauty of this patio's sitting arrangement is that you have a nice recliner, couch with back and couch without back, all of those you may use as per your desire. The center table, side table and plant are matching the pallet wood theme. This bold and heavy pallet wood sofa is perfect for a luxurious patio in a garden. This couch set is heavy and makes a bold statement. It's strong and durable, however, maintaining the rustic look of the furniture. The two pallet wood center table complements the theme and decor of the patio. These nice and comfy pallet wood set of couches is rustic and easy to assemble. You just need to clean the pallets and it does not require dismantling of planks. Just put one pallet over another, attach the backrest and there you go. You may add an armrest with your couch. This bold and durable wooden pallet L-shaped couch is made with dismantled planks of pallet wood. The height and design are comfortable and nice. This couch takes lesser space and have privilege of sitting for 5 persons. The upholstery is soft and comfy. The wheels make it movable. This huge patio sofa made from wooden pallets is amazing and will lighten up the atmosphere of your dull and boring patio. Now socialize freely without taking worry of small sitting arrangements. Build this fresh and nice couch to cater to all your family and friends gatherings. You and your guests will love the feeling of togetherness. Build this nice pallet wood couch along with the provision of a bench cum day bed. Now, in your garden you can enjoy sitting on the couch and also laying down in your pallet wood day bed. You can add bright cushions and upholstery to make your patio sitting arrangement more colorful and comfortable. Adorn your backyard with this nice and easy pallet wood sitting arrangement. You can build 2 different kinds of couches and recliners and add variety to the sitting arrangement. One is a steady simple couch and the other is a recliner which can be used to rest properly and can also be used a bench. If you are looking for something simple and elegant, then go for this white pallet wood couch. It is easy and simple, having no complex design and assembling. The white paint will give it a fresh and natural feel. You can make center table by assembling a couple of wooden crates. This bold rustic yet low pallet wood sofa is making a grand statement in your garden or patio. The color is nice and interesting and the look is totally awesome. You may add thick and soft cushions to make this huge couch comfortable and enjoyable. Attach wheels to the pallet to make it movable. This is an amazing pallet wood couch with a side table. It's super comfortable and you can enjoy reading your favorite book in the lap of nature. This is perfect for small patios, balconies and backyard. The base of pallet wood planks is strong and bold. The cushions and upholstery adds comfort to the couch. When you think of the furniture for your garden, then you look for things which complements the natural character of your garden. Such as the pallet wood couch below. You may build such a pallet wood couch which may inculcate nice and awesome wooden planters in it. This will enhance the natural look of your patio. This backyard sitting arrangement will surely brighten up your backyard's dull and boring theme. This light neon green is best to enjoy great time with friends. Blue is giving a fresh feel to the arrangement. The couch is simple yet interesting. This nice charcoal black pallet wood sitting arrangement in a patio is rare sight. It is an interesting way to attract the eye of your visitors. Black can never go out of fashion. It always complements your theme. This pallet wood L-shaped couch has extended sitting in form of a rocking couch and 2 small chairs. It is always good to divide your sitting into small chairs or sitting arrangements. These pallet wood chairs are natural and nice to adjust to your all kind of needs. The black upholstery is making it grand and awesome.